Hi and welcome back. As you can see, what we've got is how to use so, neither and either. But you remember, if you say neither, it is correct, and if you say either too, it is correct. So do not get confused. Neither, neither. Either, either. So let's get started. Now this is our first example where we have I am happy. I am happy. So if you want to say that you are happy too, or you are also happy, we use so. We say so am I. So am I. This means I am happy too, or I'm also happy. So am I. I'm happy. So am I. So am I. So are we. So are we. So are we. We're happy. We are also happy. So is he. I'm happy. So is he. He is also happy. So is she. So are they. So are they. So you've got so am I. So are we. So is he. So is he. So is she. And so are they. And so are you. So you see, they mean that you too, so am I. It means that I'm happy too, or I'm also happy. So are we. We are also happy. So is he. So is he. He is also happy. So is she. So are they. So are you. So you should be able to just remember when you hear someone have an example that is like this. Good. Now we've got I have done my work. I have done my work. So I want to say I have done my work too, or I also have done. I have also done my work. I say so have I. So have I. This is talking about I. So have we. So have we. Talking about we. We have also done our work. So has he. So has he. Talking about he. So has she. Talking about she. So have they. Talking about they. And so have you. Talking about you. I have done my work. So have I. So have we. So have we. So has he. So has she. So have they. And so have you. So have I. So have we. So has he. So has she. So have they. And so have you. Good. Here is I do. I do my work. So I do my work too. I say so do I. So do I. So do we. Talking about we. So does he. Talking about he. So does she. Talking about she. So do they. Talking about they. And so do you. Talking about you. I do my work. So do I. I do my work. So do we. I do my work. So does he. I do my work. So does she. I do my work. So do they. I do my work. So do you. So it's very easy, right? Good. Now we are using I am not happy. So you want to say you are not happy too, or you are also not happy. I use neither and say neither am I. Neither am I. It means I am not happy too. I'm not happy too. Neither are we. Neither are we. Talking about we. Neither is he. Neither is he. Talking about he. Neither is she. Talking about she. Neither are they. Talking about they. Neither are you. Talking about you. I am not happy. Neither am I. I'm not happy. Neither are we. I'm not happy. Neither is he. I'm not happy. Neither is she. I'm not happy. Neither are they. I'm not happy. Neither are you. Very easy, right? Good. I haven't done my work. So I say, neither have I. Neither have I. Neither have we. Talking about we. Neither has he. Talking about he. Neither has she. Neither has she. Talking about she. Neither have they. Talking about they. And neither have you. Talking about you. So I haven't done my work. Neither have I. I haven't done my work. Neither have we. I haven't done my work. Neither has he. I haven't done my work. Neither has she. Neither has she. I haven't done my work. Neither have they. I haven't done my work. Neither have you. Good. Here, I don't do my work. So I want to say, I don't do my work too, or I also don't do my work. I say, neither do I. Neither do I. Talking about I. Neither do we. Talking about we. Neither does he. Talking about he. Neither does she. Talking about she. Neither do they. Talking about they. And neither do you. Neither do you. Talking about you. I don't do my work. Neither do I. I don't do my work. Neither do we. I don't do my work. Neither does he. I don't do my work. Neither does she. I don't do my work. Neither do they. I don't do my work. Neither do you. Good. But look at here. I'm not happy. I'm going to change the use now. No, sorry, not the use. The form. Instead of neither, I'm using either now. So I say, I'm not happy either. I mean that neither am I. I mean, I'm not happy too. That's what it means. We are not happy either. He's not happy either. She's not happy either. They're not happy either. You are not happy either. It means you are not happy too. You are also not happy. So I'm not happy. I'm not happy either. I'm not happy. We are not happy either. I'm not happy. He is not. She is not. They're not. You are not happy either. So it's very easy, right? Good. So I haven't done my work. So I want to say I haven't done my work too. I just say I haven't done my work either. We haven't done our work either. He hasn't done his work either. She hasn't done her work either. They haven't done their work either. And you haven't done your work either. So it's not difficult, right? All you've got to do is remember how you use the words here. But you see here, you don't use so here. So you use either or neither. Either or neither. This is what you do, but you can't use so. You can't use so here. Good. I don't do my work. So I'm using either. Here too you can't use where we have not. We don't use so there. So what we use is either neither or either. I don't do my work either. That is I. We don't do our work either. That's talking about we. He doesn't do his work either. That's talking about he. She doesn't do her work either. They don't do their work either. And last but not least, you don't do your work either. That's it for now. I hope that you enjoyed the topic and I hope it was interesting. And I say until next time.